Friends, as you can see, we are in this DNMX section, and this is the DNMX top, and you can see this embroidery on this top. It is looking very beautiful. Already I have you can see this mannequin. Already I have put this top on her, so I will show you that also. And you can see this top with some elasticity, and you can see this sleeve also. So let's see this top on the mannequin, how it looks. So from outside it looks like this. So now you can see this mannequin looking very beautiful with this denim, and you can see this embroidery over here. This sleeve is narrow from here and it is wide from that lower part. And you can see this jewelry. This jewelry is from Projective, and this price of this jewelry is $5.99. So that's it for the video. I hope you will like this video.